This dance is called From the Outside. It's a 64 count, 2 wall, intermediate level line dance. Starting on the right foot, you're going to stomp the right beside the left, but don't put any weight on it. Into a kick ball step. Kicking the right, weight to the right beside the left, left forward. You're then going to step forward on the right. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight back on that right, into a 3/4 turn, so half a turn left as you step forward on that left, further 1/4 turn left as you step the right to the side. That set of steps once more. Stomp into that kickball step, off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, kickball step, step, forward, rock, turn, turn. Now we have got 3/4 of a turn in this very first section. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, start the same as everybody else. Stomp, kickball step, step, forward, rock. Instead of that first half turn, just step back on that left, and then instead of that 1/4 turn to the left, just make a 1/4 turn to the right as you step the right to the side. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that 3/4 turn out from that section. You're going to cross the left behind the right, and as you do, you're going to dip. You're then going to hitch your right and ronde sweep around the back. Cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side. Cross rock, right over left, recover your weight on that left, point the right to the side, turn yourself a 1/4 turn to the right, but keep the weight on that left foot. That set of steps once more, then crossing that left behind the right. 7, 8, behind, hitch, behind, side, cross, rock, point, turn. Let's add that to the top. Stomp, kickball, step off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, kickball, step, step, forward, rock, turn, turn, behind, hitch, behind, side, cross, rock, point, turn. So your weight is on the left. You're going to hitch the right, step the right back, then twist both heels to the left and back to centre. Hitch the left, step the left back, twist both heels to the right and then back to centre. That set of steps once more then, hitch back off on the right. 7, 8, hitch, back, twist, twist, hitch, back, twist, twist. Let's add that to the top. Stomp, kickball, step off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, kickball, step, step, forward, rock, turn, turn, behind, hitch, behind, side, cross, rock, point, turn, hitch, back, twist, twist, hitch, back, twist, twist. You're going to rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. Now you're going to effectively do 3/4 of a turn in these next few steps, turning to the left. So you're going to run forward 3 steps, right, left, right, making half a turn, hold, and then your further 1/4 of a turn, running left, right. That set of steps once more then, back rock off on that right. 7, 8, back, rock, run, 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 hold, run, run. So you are doing 3/4 of a turn with those run steps. If you need to try and take that out, just turn the 3/4 left into a 1/4 right. So you're back, rock, run, 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 hold, run, run. That's our halfway point. Let's take it up to there. Stop into that kickball step off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, kickball step, step, forward rock, turn, turn, behind, hitch, behind, side, cross, rock, point, turn, hitch, back, twist, twist, hitch, back, twist, twist, back, rock, run, 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 hold, run, run. Second half of the dance then. Step forward on the left, hold, into a chase half turn, so you step forward on that right, pivot half a turn left, step forward on the right, hold. And then 3/4 of a turn to the right, so half a turn right as you step back on that left, half a 1/4 of a turn to the right as you step that right to the side. That set of steps once more then, stepping forward on the left. 7, 8, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, turn, turn. So once again, we have a 3/4 turn in this section. Now if we take that 3/4 out, that effectively means you'll end up with another 3/4 attaching to that step, that chase half turn effectively. So if you need to adjust the turns in this section, you have to alter the whole section. So what you would actually do is step forward on that right, hold. Instead of your chase half turn, you're going to rock forward, recover, step back, hold. Then instead of your half turn, you step back on that left. Instead of that 1/4 turn to the left, you're just going to do 1/4 of a turn to the right. So non-turning steps, should you need to take any of that 3/4 out in that section. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight on that right. Step the left to the side, cross the right over the left. Slide the left to the side, drag the right towards the left, then rock back on the right and recover your weight on that left. That set of steps once more then. Cross rock off on the left. 7, 8. Cross, rock, side, cross, slide, drag, back, rock. Let's add that to our halfway point. Stepping forward on the left. 7, 8. Step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, turn, turn, cross, rock, side, cross, side, drag, back, rock. Turn a 1/4 left as you step back on that right. You're then going to ronde sweep the left around as you make a further 1/4 of a turn to the left. Step the left to the side, cross the right over the left. You're then going to do a similar set of steps with the left foot. So 1/4 of a turn to the right as you step left back, ronde sweep that right foot around as you make a further 1/4 of a turn to the right, step the right to the side, cross that left over the right. That set of steps once more then. Turning off on that right. 7, 8. Turn, sweep, side, cross, turn, sweep, side, cross. Let's add that to our halfway point. Stepping forward on the left. 7, 8. Step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, turn, turn. Cross, rock, side, cross, slide, drag, back, rock. Turn, sweep, side, cross, turn, sweep, side, cross. end of the dance, you're going to step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Small step to the left as you sway left, sway right. Turn a quarter turn to the left. As you step forward on that left, scuff the right. Then step forward on the right, pivot yourself a quarter of a turn to the left. So that is the end of the dance. Let's add that to our halfway point. Stepping forward on the left. 7, 8, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, turn, turn, cross, rock, side, cross, slide, drag, back, rock, turn, sweep, side, cross, turn, sweep, side, cross, side, touch, sway, sway, turn, scuff, step, pivot. That's your two halves. Let's put them together. Stomp, kick, ball, step off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, kick, ball, step, step, forward, rock, turn, turn, behind, hitch, behind, side, cross, rock, point, turn, hitch, back, twist, twist, hitch, back, twist, twist, back, rock, run, 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 hold, run, run. Step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, turn, turn, cross, rock, side, cross, slide, back, drag, back, rock, turn, sweep, side, cross, turn, sweep, side, cross, side, touch, sway, sway, turn, scuff, step, pivot. So that is your dance. The only end count that's in it is in that kickball step in that very first section. The rest of it is all single count timing. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. And we'll keep going when we go back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Stomp, kickball, step off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, kickball, step, step, forward, rock, turn, turn, behind, hitch, behind, side, cross, rock, point, turn, hitch, back, twist, twist, hitch, back, twist, twist, back, rock, run, 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 hold, run, run, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, turn, turn, cross, rock, side, cross, slide, drag, back, rock, turn, sweep, side, cross, turn, sweep, side, cross, side, touch, sway, sway, turn, scuff, step, pivot, stomp, kickball, step, step, forward, rock, turn, turn, behind, hitch, behind, side, cross, rock, point, turn, hitch, back, twist, twist, hitch, back, twist, twist, back, rock, run, 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 step, step, pivot, step, turn, turn, cross, rock, side, cross, slide, drag, back, rock, turn, sweep, side, cross, turn, sweep, side, cross, side, touch, sway, sway, turn, scuff, step, pivot. So hopefully you managed to keep up. So I did speed it up a little bit in that second wall. Now the music is probably just a fraction faster again. But that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8, stop, kick your step, step, forward, rock, turn, turn, behind, hitch, behind, side, cross, rock, point, turn, hitch, back, twist, twist, hitch, back, twist, twist, back, rock, run, 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 step, step, pivot, step, turn, turn, cross, rock, side, cross, slide, drag, back, rock, turn, sweep, cross, side, turn, sweep, side, cross, side, touch, swing, swing, turn, step, step, pivot, stop, kick your step, step, forward, rock, turn, turn, behind, hitch, behind, side, cross, rock, point, turn, hitch, back, twist, twist, hitch, back, twist, twist, back, rock, run, 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 step, step, pivot, step, turn, turn, cross, rock, side, cross, slide, drag, back, rock, turn, sweep, side,
just to get no sleep. Nightmare of an American dream. They all
back row,
want something, they all want something.
step chains,
So the doctor said,
cross row,
somehow I'm feeling like this child.
turn sweep,
Stood a long time medical
side touch,
he says, give me a ring,
stomp,
give me a sign, 'cause I'm
behind pitch,
in my mind. Is there someone
pitch back,
out there to pull me down a lifeline?
back row,
Sending a
step chains,
into the night. Tell me if
cross row,
I'm doing this right. How could you
turn sweep,
be to help me outside?
side touch,
Hear me out from the outside. Can you hear me? Hear me out from the outside. Can you hear me? Help me out, help me out from the outside. Help me out, help me out from the outside. Could you give me a reason? Give me a sign, 'cause I'm down in my mind. Is there someone out there to throw me down a lifeline? Sending a prayer into the night. Tell me, am I doing this right? I could use a little bit of help from the outside. Give anything for my dad's advice. I'd like to think that he's in the sky. I stay up late talking to him sometimes. I hope he hears me when I say.
hope you managed that one.